never ever done this before, and since a lot of you have asked me, I'm going to do my favorite festive look, which is so easy. If I can do it, you can do it too. So let's get into it. So to start, you need to moisturize your face because it's winter and everyone's skin is getting dry, and I have really dry skin. So few drops of cream just to moisturize your face. I know it's funny, but skincare is important. Only if you have clear skin will you have even makeup application, and that is one thing I'm really into. What I do is, if I have like any excess cream left, I use it on my hands because dry skin. Always make sure that this is blended well. Don't forget your ears. Don't forget under your eyes. You get right into your hairline so you miss no spot out. If you want to use concealer, you can, but I right now didn't because it's not really required. So if you do have dark circles and a lot of discoloration, you can use. For me, I've just used a foundation, which is a liquid foundation. So yeah. So since my base is done, I'm going to get to my eyes, which are one of the most important parts in doing makeup. So I'm going to be using like a pink maroon color for my eyes, since it's, it just gives like pop to the eyes. Oh yeah, they're my neighbors. They're cooking all the time. So make sure you get into the crease, you cover your eyelid. I'm not the best at it, but I'm just doing what I can do best. So yeah, a lot of you have been asking me about why I haven't been doing makeup, because one, I'm not really good at it. I'm telling you now, so I'm just going to try doing what I do generally, and I have been just learning makeup. This is what I do when I get out, when I am not shooting, because that's mostly what my makeup artists do for me. And yeah, they do an amazing job. Ryan has taught me a few of the tricks, so that is what I've learned. So I've learned from Ryan. He's still good at it. I'm nothing close to that. I'm just learning again. I need to get him here to teach me some more. So it always happens where you have to make your left equal to your right. And yeah. So once I've put pink inside, I am going to be using a little darker brown for the edges. For only the crease, so that the eyes pop out more. Yeah, I think we're done. Before we get to the next step, I want this to set. So I'm going to be doing my brows. So before you start your brows, I'm not done with mine yet. So you just need to brush it towards the direction that it goes in. I like to keep them natural, so I don't like shred them or wax them very fine. Just comb them towards the direction, comb this up and comb this down with your spoolie, and then line the bottom, and then do upward strokes to exactly where the brows so they look very natural. I just like to fill the gaps that they are in, so that's what I do. Make sure you don't overdo them, but make sure you don't do them at all. So make sure you do them right. So this is what I usually do. And then brush them over again. Yeah, see the difference? And then right on to the other side again. Repeat the same steps. So you see I have like a gap here, so I try and fill that up. Yeah, so a little better. I just need to make sure the left is equal to the right. So I'm just going to go over it again one last time. And then brush it upwards. I know I take time for my brows, but I like them done in particular ways. So I make sure it's done this way. Yeah, so now since we are done with the brows, can you see a difference of how it is? We get to the next step of the eyes, which are my favorite. So since it's like a festive look, we will get to probably like a gold. You just like add a little bit of glitter. You see a difference of how the left and right look. There's glitter here, there's no glitter there. Yeah, that's for the eyes. You need to curl your lashes a little bit before you put on your eyeliner. See? So I'm going to do like a wing liner look because that's what really makes you look like glam. So I'm going to take my liquid liner. You see a difference of how both the eyes look. And this really makes you look like you're ready to go out. I'm going to repeat the same step on the other side. tips when I have to get my eyes done because I'm doing it on camera for the first time, so I'm not really good at it, but this is what you'll end up with. I am going to go to the step where you do your eyes again because that's just 1 or 2 steps left to complete the whole look. So what I usually do is mascara. Mascara is like my favorite part of my whole makeup look. So 1 coat from down. And then roll it upwards. I need to do my lower, which I will have to maybe move away from camera. Look at the difference. Don't you see? Your eyes open up like so much more. So I'm going to do my bottom lashes. See how it's like opened up? Your eyes look like so much brighter. You can see how your eyes look bright, opened up just with 1 coat of mascara. Okay, so I think we've reached almost the last step, which is the lips. So this is my trick. I know a lot of you have been asking me, how do you do that? So I'm going to tell you, so you just have to you need to line your lips. Then I take my favorite, which is like a nice bright red. Make sure that all the edges are done. And in case you pout often, make sure you dab. Just to get like a little more sparkle in the eye, you can use this tip, which I completely forgot. So use like this spoolie, or use like any brush that you have. Use like a light golden. You can also use your fingers, but I'm using my brushes. I have cream on my fingers. Use it on the upper top hand, just under your brow, just to give like a natural effect, and blend it in because you need to blend it. Okay, and then use the next side. A little bit here. You're good to go. I'm not doing my hair because I just want to concentrate on the makeup today, and just there you go. So if you like the video and you like the way I did my makeup, if you want me to do more videos, don't forget to like, comment below and subscribe. And if you want me to do more YouTube videos, let me know in the comment section what videos you want me to do.